Our pelvic floor muscles are not just a series of tissues located at the base of our pelvis. These muscles are located in our rooting and grounding center. And so if an issue develops in the pelvic floor muscles, it can actually create disconnection. It can disconnect us from our sexual beingness. It can disconnect us from activities that we love to do, playing with kids, jumping, running, exercising. It can disconnect us from feeling supported and whole. And so the pelvic floor is more than just a group of muscles that you're squeezing. There's so much more that goes into the pelvic floor versus just squeezing. And I believe it's really important to prepare our muscles for one of life's greatest rites of passage, birthing. So check out my free masterclass so we can learn to reconnect.